So what could be bigger than a bank charter for SoFi? How about a partnership with Google? Well, this is getting super exciting. So I was going about my normal day and read an article that Google has scrapped the plan to offer bank accounts, and my first reaction was, good. Because if Google joins fintech, then we know we are going to see some major movement in the fintech space. And then I got an alert with the news that Google might partner with other fintechs, and I quickly searched for SoFi keyword. And yes, it was the first name they mentioned. So in this video, I'm discussing the news and also my take on where I see this industry going forward. Okay, so on your screen, as soon as I got the news, I posted on our community tab. That's the pic on your screen. That is there a possibility of a Google and SoFi partnership? And majority of you replied yes, right here. 89% replied yes. And by the way, if you have not subscribed, then hit the subscribe button because I do post breaking news on the community page of our channel. For example, I posted Affirm partnership the moment it happened and that I'm buying 1,000 shares of Affirm. I'm up almost 30% on Affirm and also a few pieces of news that I have posted over the past 1 month. Okay, so coming back to the news, here is the article that I mentioned in my post. Take a look. So this is the article that I got an alert on, and it says Alphabet may partner with fintech as it scraps bank plans right here. So it says Alphabet plans to offer bank account is scrapped because they are avoiding regulatory scrutiny, which is very, very understandable for Google. They don't want that hassle. While limited transaction with its Google Pay product and fragmentation in the neobank and digital wallet market. Then the article says, we believe the company might instead partner with fintech companies such as SoFi, Coinbase, and Robinhood, as well as large banks to add functionality to its Android OS. This is really interesting. So now when I read this article, there are 3 things that comes to my mind. Let me share each one of them with everyone. Number 1, Robinhood. Robinhood has recently gotten lots of bad publicity. So I really don't think Google will risk their reputation by going with Robinhood. Number 2, Coinbase. Coinbase is a great company, but they are Coinbase. People associate them with crypto. They are under heavy scrutiny from SEC all the time. I'm not sure if Google wants to open themselves up to Coinbase. I think that's why it says over here that Google scrapped the idea because banking is really, really regulatory. Bank and all the other banking institutions are regulated very heavily and Google does not want that hassle. 3, SoFi, to me, is the perfect partner for many reasons. They are a bank, will soon be FDIC insured. Next, they are a combination of Coinbase and Robinhood, crypto, stocks. And third, they have this large buffet of products that no one else can offer right now. So next, what I'm sharing with you is going to also make you feel confident that this really could be a possibility. Look, Google already has partnership with SoFi for their cloud services. So they already have a relationship with them. Well, Google has a relationship with everyone, you and me as well. But what I'm trying to say is that this partnership can definitely be a possibility here. Now take a look at this. As soon as the news came out, I'm going to show you the chart over here. So this is when the news came out. That blue dot over there is the news. The stock sentiment turned green. As you can see, right after that, it turned green. And all of a sudden, we saw the stock move up. This is interesting for SoFi and also for us investors. Right away, the stock turned green, a little red blip here and there, but then majority was turned green. Another thing is the RSI was an oversold category, but stock did not buzz, which is a very bullish sign. So I feel the stock continued to go up because whoever got that news, of course, got very bullish and started to buy heavy. You see that almost 0.15 million shares sold here, almost the same number of shares sold here. And this is not even the close. The close was at 4 o'clock. I wanted to take this screenshot then because at close, the volume is always high. So if any of you know anything more, do share in the comments below, as all of us investors would love to get some more info on this. Okay, so now the article was written with speculation as there is no confirmed news yet. And I'm also making this video as a 100% what if scenario. And I would like you to comment and let's discuss on what we think if there is a possibility of such partnership. Because I know that if and when this happens, this will truly be massive for SoFi. Which brings to my last point, that is fintech. Fintech space is getting so hot that I feel Microsoft, Amazon, Walmart, all are eyeing this sector with great interest. So a possible merger or partnership for SoFi with any of these giants could very well be in the books. Let me know what you all think about this and how exciting is this coming along. I'll link my SoFi video here where I talk about the potential this company has. Do watch it as there is some amazing info in the video. Hope I provided some value, and if you like the video, then consider subscribing and hit the like button so we can reach out to more SoFi lovers. And also please share so we can reach the 10K subs and we can start the Discord to share these breaking news. As always, an absolute pleasure to be with you all. Love you all. Until next time, you all have a sparkling day.